Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very easy going, oh my god, effective turmeric ice cube that works like magic. Oh god, like you need to watch this video till the end and you need to see how I'm gonna be applying it on my skin and how effective this is going to be. Like seriously, like so well. Yeah, okay, so let me take you down into the video. Don't forget to hit on the bell, subscribe and share this video. All right, now let me take you right in. Okay guys, so I have here my turmeric, and you have to get a very good turmeric. Okay, you do not need those kind of turmeric that is already extracted and what they give you is just a chaff. You need a very good and organic turmeric. In fact, if you can't find one, you can even use the raw and fresh turmeric, which is very good. I would recommend you use that particular one. Yeah, okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be taking just a little of my turmeric powder. Okay, so I have at least half of a tablespoon of my turmeric powder. We're gonna be needing to use banana. Now, banana is one great remedy for the skin. Trust me guys, if you've not actually been using banana for your skin, try to do that though, because your skin is going to be looking sumptuously beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be peeling the banana obviously and cutting it, because I would have to be blending, grating or pounding. So I would prefer to blend, since I have my small blender here. Cover it up and blend. Okay, so this is it and it's ready, and I'll be putting that into the turmeric powder. So now we would have to give this a stir. Mix it really good. Okay, so after mixing that, we're equally going to be making use of this, and this is baking soda, not baking powder guys, baking soda. Now baking soda is a great exfoliating agent to the skin that helps to even out and scrub out dead skin cells from your skin. It therefore leaves your skin super young, super soft guys. I've actually been using this a whole lot, so do not use baking powder guys, because I know some of you guys are going to come ask me, is it baking powder? It is not baking powder. Baking powder is not going to work. Yeah, so what I'm going to be needing, half of a tablespoon of baking powder is enough, and then I'll give it a good stir. So the next ingredient, which is very important, is avocado. Avocado contains a lot of vitamin E and lactic acids, and it helps so much to brighten up the skin. It helps to leave the skin evenly beautiful, young and healthy. So since I have my half cut of avocado, I am not going to be cutting a new one, yeah, because I am going to be using this old one. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking just a little piece of avocado, peel it up, cut it in pieces, and then I'll prefer to blend it so it can be really smooth and soft equally. after blending it really well, this is it, and it's actually super duper thick. And then I would have to be turning that into this turmeric mix. Oh my goodness, this is one goodness you don't have to mix. You don't have to mix it for nothing. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing aloe vera, and we're gonna be needing a fresh aloe vera, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to cut the sides of this aloe vera, then open it up. Now for this particular one, I'm gonna be creating it because when I blend it, it's not gonna come out well because it's actually a very small aloe vera. Yeah, so I'll be doing it in a circular motion like this. That is set. And guys, this is what I put in my turmeric to give me that beautiful glow, and it looks really good, and this would actually make me look beautiful, like, trust me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what you do is to grab your ice cube container. You take this mix, put in your ice cube container, Alright, so the next thing you do is refrigerate this. Now go put it in the freezer and I'll be right back. For my turmeric ice cube, and this is how it is, this is how the color is when when it has stayed for some time. And let me bring it out. Yeah, so how you're gonna bring it out, you're gonna do it this way, and you're just gonna turn it. Sometimes when you turn it and heat it, it might not even come out. Okay? It's not too strong, it's still very soft, and it's actually not too strong, yeah, because of the avocado in it. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be bringing one out again. I'm gonna walk it through. Oh my goodness, this is actually very soft and very cooling. Like, this is actually the best way of storing your natural ingredients. Yeah, if you're actually asking for how can I store it, why not just refrigerate it like this and store it? So you spread this evenly and generously, guys. Make sure you put more cubes. Okay, so the thing is that this particular one is not very strong like that, so it's not going to like stay, but yeah, it is, so you can apply as much as you want. Now when you apply more and when you keep on applying the coolness, especially on that part where you tend to be having large pores, like for me, you see me concentrate on my cheek and my nose, a little bit on my forehead and here. It's because those parts, my pores on that side is opening their mouths, like my pores on that side are wide. They're actually wide, yeah, so that's why I like using cubes sometimes, ice cubes, yeah. so that the coolness of it can actually reduce my pores. Okay, so that's it guys, that's my ice cube, working effectively on my skin. And you have to, if you actually put it in your ice cube container, you can as well just be using it every day. Like every day you take one, every day you take one, and before you know it guys, your skin is gonna get so glowing and beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, hit on the like, leave your comments below, and I'll see you again. Bye.